Hi, this is Michael, a Mercedes guy. We're going to replace the bulb in the rear dome light. Most of the 60s, 70s cars are very similar. On this particular one, this has the metal cover. On the metal cover, you want to go in right here and pop that off. And then you've got access to the bulb. Now, on some dome lights, there will be a relief, a cutout at one end, and not at the other end. On that particular dome light, you want to put your screwdriver in the cutout and pop it out. The other style, on later cars, is a plastic like this, and on one side it will have a slight relief for a screwdriver. The other end does not. It's important to pop this out with the screwdriver in the relief. If you pull it out the other way, you risk breaking this.